Good morning, friends. Important judgment coming from Madurai bench of Madras High Court. No interest and penalty, both not leviable on simply wrong availment of GST credit, but not utilized. ब्याज और पेनाल्टी, नो इंटरेस्ट एंड पेनाल्टी लीविएबल अगर आपने जीएसटी क्रेडिट गलत ली है, रॉन्गली अवेल्ड की है, बट यूटिलाइज नहीं किया. This judgment is very important, coming in the case of Green Star Fertilizers Limited. Let me tell you the first point. Interest, section 50 subsection 3, retrospectively amended from July 1, 2017. No interest on wrong availment of GST credit, but not utilized. आपने क्रेडिट गलत ले ली लेकिन यूटिलाइज नहीं किया तो आप पे ब्याज नहीं लगेगी, एंड दैट टू फ्रॉम जुलाई 1, 2017. सो याद रखिएगा. हैविंग सेड दैट, sometime we have seen that IGST credit wrongly availed and that gets utilized because of order of utilization. So by default wrongly IGST credit आपने ली and that gets utilized, but you have sufficient balance lying in your e-credit ledger of IGST, CGST and SGST, and if that amount is more than the amount utilized तो आप पे ब्याज नहीं लगेगा. No interest leviable. And this is being clarified by circular number 192 dated 17th July 23. So this is the first part of the story. What was the important in this judgment? Revenue was alleging that penalty is leviable irrespective of fact, whether utilized or not utilized. Under section 73 non-fraud case, under section 74 fraud case. So revenue का ये कहना था कि 73 और 74 में पेनाल्टी बाय डिफॉल्ट लगनी है अगर आपने क्रेडिट रॉन्गली अवेल्ड किया है. यूटिलाइज किया या नहीं किया इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. So this was the allegation of revenue, and this was decided by Madurai bench of Madras High Court. And listen carefully what is being held. First, amount reflected in e-credit ledger cannot be termed as availment till the time it is being utilized, and by this utilization resultant effect would be non-payment of tax or short payment of tax. Simply समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. अगर क्रेडिट गलत अवेल हुई, रॉन्गली अवेल हुई, आपके ई क्रेडिट लेजर में दिख रहा है, लेकिन तब तक हम इसको नहीं मान सकते जब तक कि आपने इस क्रेडिट को यूटिलाइज किया है फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ टैक्स, और इसकी वजह से या तो नॉन पेमेंट हुआ या शॉर्ट पेमेंट हुआ. फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, लेट्स से यू हैव रॉन्गली अवेल्ड GST credit of 20 rupees. Let's assume wrongly availed. It is lying in your e-credit ledger, but till the time it is being utilized, it is not affecting your non-payment or short payment of tax. Once you utilize this wrongly availed credit towards payment of tax, then to that extent it can be concluded there is short payment of tax because you have utilized the wrongly availed credit. Otherwise it was the simply balance lying in your e-credit ledger. Keeping this theme in mind and relying on division bench of Patna High Court judgment, Commercial Steel Engineering Corporation, it is being held no penalty can be levied only on wrong availment, because it is not resulting into non-payment or short payment of tax. Thereby no penalty, neither under section 73 non-fraud, neither under section 74 fraud cases, fraud, willful misstatement, suppression of fact. You can't levy penalty. With the exemplary penalty of 10,000 rupees, only 10,000 rupees, levied on petitioner on this wrong availment. This is what it has been concluded, and my submission as well. Credit wrongly availed, just a balance in e-credit ledger, and it is not resulting into any kind of non-payment or short payment, and which is the basis and silver lining. When you look at section 73 or section 74 for issuance of so-called notice or order, of course there the context provided: non-payment of tax, short payment of tax, or wrongly availed credit or utilized. So even wrongly availed credit can be made basis for levying the penalty under section 73 or 74. And this is one of the representation before CBIC and GST Council. When interest is being done away with, जब आपने interest को हटा दिया, that no interest on wrong availment of GST credit but not utilized, that too from 1st July 2017, जब आपने interest को हटा दिया, kindly get it clarified. A circular is much needed one. Otherwise, these dispute will go to different high court. A simplicity, a clarification, wrongly availed credit but not utilized, no interest, no penalty. Good judgment. Detailed newsletter is being given in the description box, which you can download for your easy digest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Lot many on GST. Walk the talk. Sabka saath, sabka vikas. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.